Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about abstract nouns which start with the prefix pag. Let us begin with some example sentences. I hope to win in the marathon. Umaasa akong manalo sa marathon. Ako. Hope, umaasa. To win, manalo. In the, sa, and we just use the English word marathon. Yes, you still have hope. Oo, may pag-asa ka pa. Yes, oo. You, ka. Still, pa. Have, may. Hope, pag-asa. Our two sentences both use the word hope. In the first one, hope, umaasa, is a verb, an action word. In the second sentence, hope is a noun. Hope, pag-asa. It is an abstract noun. Abstract nouns are names we use for things that are intangible or are conceptual, like feelings or state of being or experiences. And we will learn these words in this lesson. The prefix pag is used in the Filipino language to form abstract nouns. Unlapi na gamit sa pagbuo ng mga abstract na pangalan. Prefix, unlapi, used, gamit, to, sa, form, pagbuo. And we simply use the English word abstract because there's no equivalent in the Filipino language. Nouns, mga pangalan. When we use the prefix plus a word, it forms a noun. So prefix unlapi plus salita is equal to pangalan. Now let us learn some abstract nouns that we can form with the prefix pag plus the verb root. Love, its root is ibig. Hope, asa. Respect, galang. Accept, tanggap. And receive is also tanggap. So what are the abstract nouns we can form from this? Love, the feeling, is pag-ibig. Hope, pag-asa. Respect, paggalang. Acceptance, pagtanggap. And reception is also pagtanggap. Now, what is the dash? Pag-ibig, pag-asa. We use a dash when the root word or the verb root starts with a vowel. We do not use a dash when the verb root starts with a consonant. Now let us use those words in some example sentences. Love is important to every person. Mahalaga ang pag-ibig sa bawat tao. Love, pag-ibig. Important, mahalaga. To, sa. Every, bawat. Person, tao. My love and respect for my parents is great. Malaki ang pag-ibig at paggalang ko para sa mga magulang ko. My, ko. And at. Respect, paggalang. For, para sa. My is ko. Parents, mga magulang. And great, as in huge, is malaki. And here is an expression. As it should be. Dapat lang. As it should be, dapat lang. Here are some more example sentences. Acceptance of your own flaws is difficult. Mahirap ang pagtanggap sa mga sariling kapintasan mo. Acceptance, pagtanggap. Of, sa, your, mo, own, sarili. Flaws, kapintasan, and difficult, mahirap. He got a warm reception from the audience. Mainit na pagtanggap ang nakuha niya sa mga manonood. He, niya. Got, nakuha. Warm, mainit. Reception, pagtanggap. From the, sa, audience, mga manonood. Now let us learn a new set of abstract nouns. Let's start with the verb root. Long is asam. View, tingin. Confess, amin. And admit, ako. Longing is pag-asam. Regard or how you view another person, pagtingin. Confession, pag-amin. And admittance, pag-ako. You can also use pag-ako to say taking responsibility. That is pag-ako. Now let us look at some example sentences. I have a longing to see my old friends. May pag-asam ako na makita ang mga dati kong kaibigan. I, ako. Have, may. Longing, pag-asam. To see, makita. May, ko. Old, as in former, dati. Friends, mga kaibigan. I have high regard for them. Mataas ang pagtingin ko sa kanila. High, mataas. Regard, pagtingin. For, sa. Them, kanila. Here is another set of sentences. He struggled in his confession of his mistake. Nahirapan siya sa pag-amin niya sa pagkakamali niya. He, siya. Struggled, nahirapan. In, sa. His, niya. Confession, pag-amin. Of, sa. His, niya. Mistake, pagkakamali. But his admittance helped with the case. Pero nakatulong sa kaso ang pag-ako niya. But, pero. Admittance, pag-ako. Helped, nakatulong. With the, sa. Case, kaso. Here is another set of abstract nouns for you to use in your practice. The verb root for care is kalinga. Prevalence pag-iral. Progress, unlad. Grow, laki. And here are the abstract nouns. Care is pagkalinga. Prevalence is pag-iral. Progress, pag-unlad. And growth, paglaki. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. And here are some sentences for you to translate as your homework. A mom's care is the best. The prevalence of social media changed people's interaction. I see the progress with the project. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!